How to fix Windows activation error on Windows 10. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix such error regarding your Windows activation on your PC or laptop. So as you can see, if you are also getting such type of error like this with this error code on your Windows PC, then what you can do is first thing just head over to your network settings or simply search in for view network connection on the search bar and just open it and just right click on your network and disable it. So once you disable your network, all you have to do is just head over to your command prompt just like this and open the command prompt like this. And now just make sure you write the following keyword on your following command on your command prompt. So let me just type in the first one, which is like this, and make sure you take care of the spacing as well. So once you write in the following command, just hit the enter button over here, and again next time once you successfully complete that option, just type in the second command like this, and inside this bracket you have to write your product key, your Windows product key. And once you do that, once again hit the enter button and just exit the command prompt from over here, and all you have to do is just restart your PC by simply clicking on this. And once you restart your PC, your issue should be successfully fixed. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.